वेलकम टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग की एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 8, जिसमें कि सारे एमसीक्यू स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टैंडर्ड इज बेस्ड ऑन पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस? आइडल स्टैंडर्ड्स, बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड्स, करंट स्टैंडर्ड्स, हिस्टोरिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स। सो हियर इसमें पूछा गया क्वेश्चन में इनमें से कौन से स्टैंडर्ड है पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस पे बेस्ड है? पास्ट basically history, so correct answer is historical standards. D is the correct answer. Next question is material yield variance is calculated on the basis of quantity produced, output from actual, input, input hours, input price or labor hours. So here the correct answer is output from actual input. B is the correct answer. Next question is the formula for labor efficiency variance is standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate minus actual rate into actual rate into actual hours minus standard rate into standard hours, none of the above. So here the correct answer is standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. A is the correct answer. Next question is standard costing is most effective when production is customized, output is homogeneous, overheads are low, materials are imported. So here the correct answer is standard costing is most effective when the output is homogeneous. B is the correct answer. Next question is which variance indicates poor labor supervision? Options are labor rate variance, labor idle variance, labor efficiency variance, labor cost variance. कौन सा वेरिएंस है जो इंडिकेट करता है कि जो सुपरविजन है लेबर की वो पुअर है? दैट इज एफिशिएंसी बताता है, लेबर एफिशिएंसी वेरिएंस. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिवीजन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स शुड बी डन monthly, never, when conditions change, every year. Revision of standards should be done when conditions change. Revision स्टैंडर्ड्स को रिवाइज या चेंज तभी किया जाता है जब कंडीशंस पहले जैसी नहीं रहती. व्हेन कंडीशंस चेंज. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ कंपनी यूजिंग स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग शुड रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड्स annually, quarterly, when needed या never. So here the correct answer is when needed. C is the correct answer. Next question is the total overhead variance can split into fixed and variable, controllable and uncontrollable, direct and indirect, actual and estimated. सो टोटल ओवरहेड वेरिएंस है जो वो स्प्लिट होता है फिक्स्ड और वेरिएबल में. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स रेफर्स टू actual hours work, estimated hours for actual output, budgeted working time or idle hours. So here the correct answer is standard hours refers to estimated hours for actual output. B is the correct answer. Next question is the standard cost system helps in preparing cash budgets, reducing production, controlling cost, generating profits. Standard cost जो है वो help करती है controlling cost. C is the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is always favorable when actual cost is less than standard? Labor cost variance, overhead variance, material cost variance, all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of the above. Next question is if actual labor hours are more than standard, the efficiency variance will be 0, adverse, favorable, not affected. So here the answer is B, adverse. Next question is standard costing is less useful in repetitive manufacturing, mass production, unique job-based projects, continuous process. So here the correct answer is unique job-based projects. C is the correct answer. Next question is which document is needed for comparing actual cost with standard cost? Invoice, cost sheet, variance report, trial balance. So here the correct answer is C, variance report. Next question is the main purpose of variance analysis is to report expenses, allocate profits, control cost, increase output. So here the correct answer is C, control cost. Question number 16 is variable overhead rate variance arises due to change in number of units, difference between standard and actual rate, idle time, change in fixed cost. So here the correct answer is difference between standard and actual rate. Next question is labor efficiency variance is adverse when actual hours is less than standard hours, actual hours is greater than standard hours, actual hours is equals to standard hours, or none of the above. So here it is adverse when actual hours is greater than standard hours. B is the correct answer. Next question is fixed overhead volume variance relates to idle time, change in activity level, change in wage rate, machine breakdown. So here the correct answer is change in activity level. B is the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is a behavioral limitation of standard costing? Provides inaccurate cost, discourage innovation, encourage budgeting, improves planning. So here the correct answer is discourage innovation. B is the correct answer. Next question is in standard costing, the standards are normally set by accountants only, engineers only, a team including engineer, accountants and managers, government authorities. So here the correct answer is a team including engineers, accountants and managers. C is the correct answer. Next question is it is a bonus question for you. You have to answer the question in the comment section below. Which of the following is not a step in variance analysis? Setting standards, finding actuals, calculating depreciation, calculating variance. So please comment में इसका आंसर बताइएगा. This is all about this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share this lecture and subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy. Thank you so much for watching.